So some good news for this Bugs Bunny birthday ball display. Actually, I don't have the display connected, but you can see that the issue is with the MPU board and it's lighting segment A on the lower display. So let's put the MPU into test and see what happens here. Yeah. You can see that top segment always being lit. I'm glad it's on the MPU. That'll be a little easier to fix. All right, let's get it on the bench. And here's the display after I replaced this 6821. And I've only got one display connected, so we will have to put it into display test. There we go. And you can see that that top segment is doing what it's supposed to, which at this point is not lit. Now, in the real game, it would have been checking the left display, and this is the right display. So we've got her back working again. Thank you so much.